What's up, guys? This is the part 2 of the house tour. Yeah, just wait. Right now, this is our house. We got a brand new computer for mine. This computer is mine, bro. Yeah, that computer is mine. And yeah, and a fancy TV. We got a new chair. We got a new chair, bro. We got a new chair. We got a stupid freaking new chair. Hey, boy. Sorry, this is actually mine. To the vlog. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Niña, say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Gugu gaga. Alright, bro. It's so annoying. This is our tent. Our tent. I did not mess that up. We got an air conditioner. Air conditioner, guys. That's why I'm using a blanket. Ano panoorin? Yeah, it's now night. It's now night, bro. Don't be like, guys. Oh, look at the lights.
Ganda naman yan.
Ginagawa akong pambahay yan sa tiya.
Alright. I'm just gonna use the blanket.
Tabi mo na dyan, tabi mo na dyan.
Sophie, tabi, dun ka. Ang galing na magsalita.
Natulog ka na, lasing na, oh. Lasing sa alak.
Lasing sa alak. It's comfortable here, bro. I love this. This is comfortable. What's up? Yeah, look at me.